You are welcome to the third lecture on corporate reporting. The title of this lecture is International Adoption of the International Financial Reporting Standards. In this lecture, students will be exposed to the adoption of the IFRS by the following countries and regions: Nigeria, number 2, the United States of America, and number 3, the European Union. The rate of adoption of the International Financial Reporting Standards differs between countries. On the 28th of July 2010, the Nigerian Federal Executive Council approved 1st January 2012 as the effective date for convergence of accounting standards in Nigeria with International Financial Reporting Standards. 94% of jurisdictions have made a public commitment to the International Financial Reporting Standards as a single set of global financial reporting standards. 75% of jurisdictions require the use of the International Financial Reporting Standards by all or most public companies. Many of the 25% of the jurisdictions permit the use of the International Financial Reporting Standards. The European Union used to be the single largest IFRS jurisdiction based on gross domestic product, but presently the combined GDP or gross domestic product of IFRS jurisdictions outside the European Union is now more than that of the European Union. The IFRS for SMEs has been adopted by 60% of jurisdictions, while 19 jurisdictions are considering the adoption of IFRS for SMEs. Nigeria has adopted the International Financial Reporting Standards. However, the United States of America is yet to adopt the International Financial Reporting Standards, but foreign companies whose securities are traded in the United States can file annual returns prepared using the International Financial Reporting Standards without reconciling them to the generally accepted accounting principles. In the European Union since 2005, listed companies have to publish financial statements that comply with the International Financial Reporting Standards. Also in the European Union, the International Financial Reporting Standards are mandatory when they are approved by the necessary regulatory authority. Also in the European Union, listed companies that prepare consolidated financial statements must apply the regulation. Other non-consolidated entities will depend on the decision of the member states to decide on the accounting regulations applied in the preparation of the financial statements. In the United Kingdom, companies not having consolidated status have the option of applying the International Financial Reporting Standards or the United Kingdom Generally Accepted Accounting Principles. And also in the United Kingdom GAAP or Generally Accepted Accounting Principles has changed by incorporating financial reporting standards similar to some of the International Financial Reporting Standards. Up to 2010, there were 3 schools of thought for moving to the International Financial Reporting Standards. These schools of thought are: 1. Adoption or conversion, 2. Convergence, and 3. The endorsement school of thought. The adoption or conversion school of thought refers to a switch from local standards to the International Financial Reporting Standards without prior convergence to the standards, while the convergence school of thought is the migration of local standards to being closely aligned with the International Financial Reporting Standards. And the endorsement school of thought is the formal endorsement of or authorization of new or amended international financial reporting standards before they become legally binding in that jurisdiction or country or region. Another school of thought emerged as a result of the description of a senior Securities and Exchange Commission official in 2010 who described the United States movement to the International Financial Reporting Standards as a process that would occur by continuous convergence projects and gradual Financial Accounting Standards Board endorsements of the International Financial Reporting Standards with respect to the issues of difference between the Financial Accounting Standards Board and the International Accounting Standards Board. The United States generally accepted accounting principles would continue to exist, and the Financial Accounting Standards Board would retain its autonomy under the Condorsement School of Thought. As of July 2024, the United States of America is yet to adopt the International Financial Reporting Standards, and the International Financial Reporting Standards have gained prominence in many other countries in the world. Thank you for listening, and we look forward to having you in the next lecture. God bless you.